Hello guys and welcome to a video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So today I will be sharing with you a coupon code that my friends at Envato gave to me to spread the word of Envato Elements. So using this coupon code you will get 1 month for free for Envato Elements. This is a service that will grant you unlimited downloads to stock videos, music, sound effects, graphic templates, WordPress plugins, fonts and more. So if you want to join this and be a part of this for free for 1 month, and you can download during this month unlimited downloads of anything that is part of Envato Elements, you can register using the link from this video's description, or you can also enter the coupon code that I will share with you, which is elements_03_0 first month. So this is the coupon code that is included also in the link that is found in this video's description. So if you click on the link that is found in the description, you will add automatically the coupon code to your purchase. You can enter your PayPal or card during the subscription and you will get the first month for free. And a little secret here, I will tell you that if you cancel your subscription before the first month ends, then you will not be charged anything. So you will not be charged any you will not need to make any payments to Envato Elements, but will have this first free month with this coupon code. But if you want to continue, you can leave the subscription active and the normal fee will continue afterwards. So yeah, go ahead guys, join Envato Elements using the link in this description, this video's description, or enter the coupon code that is also found in this video's description, and have fun using Envato Elements, which has a great multitude of presentation, sound effects, music and many more for your projects. So this is all for today. I hope you will enjoy this little buff that I share with you. Until next time, please subscribe to this channel to get more similar updates. Have a nice day, stay safe, bye bye.